Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tintin, and today I'm going to help you prepare for the bar department interview on the cruise ship. Whether you're applying as a bar utility, bar waiter, or bartender, this video will walk you through a real interview questions, sample answers, and powerful tips that will bring you one step closer to your dream job at sea. Let's begin. Before anything else, let's talk about the different positions in the bar department. This will help you understand the expectation for each role. Bar utility, entry-level position. You assist with cleaning, organizing the bar, refilling stock, and supporting the bartenders. Bar waiter, bar waitress. You serve drinks to guests, take orders, and deliver excellent customer service with a smile. Bartender, you're in charge of mixing cocktails, handling orders at the bar, entertaining guests, and knowing your beverage recipes well. No matter which role you apply for, remember, these cruise lines are not just hiring skills, they are hiring attitude, professionalism, and potential. Let's go through the top questions that are usually asked in cruise ship interviews for the bar department, along with the sample answers to help you prepare. Tell me about yourself. My name is Tintin, and I've worked in the bar and hospitality industry for 2 years. I enjoy working in fast-paced environment and providing great guest experiences. I'm passionate about service and would love to grow my skills on board a cruise ship. How do you handle a drunk or rude guest? If a guest becomes intoxicated and disrespectful, I remain calm and professional. I stop serving them alcohol and notify my supervisor immediately. Guest safety and comfort always come first. Describe your favorite cocktail and how to make it. One cocktail I enjoy making is the mojito. I muddle fresh mint with sugar and lime, juice, add white rum and ice, shake it, and top it off with soda water. It's simple, but always refreshing. Why do you want to work on a cruise ship? I want to work on a cruise ship to gain international experience, meet people from different cultures, and provide for my family while building my hospitality career. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. How do you handle pressure during busy service hours? I stay calm and organized. I focus on my task, communicate well with my team, and maintain a positive attitude. Working under pressure is part of my job, and I actually enjoy the energy of a busy bar. Now that you know the question and answers, let's talk about what really matters, the things that will set you apart from other candidates. Know your basics. Be familiar with bar tools. Learn the name of basic tools, shaker, jigger, muddler, bar spoon, strainer. You don't need to be an expert bartender if you're applying for bar utility, but knowing the tools shows initiative. Speak clearly and practice English. You don't need to sound like a native speaker, but you do need to speak with confidence. Practice speaking in English about your experience, your responsibilities, and common bar tasks. You can even record yourself. Show energy, positivity, and respect. The bar department is fast-paced. Smile, maintain eye contact, even in virtual interviews, and show that you're ready to work hard while keeping the team spirit alive. Don't fake it. Be honest about what you know. If you don't know all the drinks, that's okay. What's important is to show the willingness to learn and improve. Interviewers value humility with effort more than someone pretending to know everything. Dress and prepare like a pro. Yes, even for Zoom. Wear a collared shirt, fix your hair, and sit in a quiet, clean area. Keep your documents organized, passport, resume, training certificates, and medicals if applicable. And lastly, know your why. Why are you applying for this job? To help your family? To see the world? To have a better future? That's why we'll keep you going even when the days on board are long and the challenges are many. To everyone watching, believe in yourself. You don't need to be the best. You just need to be ready, willing, and consistent. So prepare well, practice your answers, and carry that dream with you in every step of the process. You are one interview away from your breakthrough, and I believe in you. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow applicants. Drop a comment if you want me to feature another department or interview tips. Good luck and see you on board.